Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So NVIDIA is one of the world's most popular technology stocks, known for its AI chips, gaming GPUs, data center hardware, and artificial intelligence infrastructure. The good news is M1 Finance makes it easy to buy NVIDIA stock in just a few minutes. So this is a complete step-by-step process for buying NVIDIA stock on M1 Finance in 2026. So first thing you have to do is open an M1 Finance investment account. So before buying NVIDIA stock, you will need an M1 Finance account, okay? So download the M1 app or visit the website, create an account, okay? Complete identity verification and open an investing account, okay? So let's say that we already signed up to the M1 Finance, okay? So the next step is to fund your account, okay? So before investing, you will need available cash, okay? So here you need to tap move money or go to transfers, link your bank account, and then deposit funds. Okay, so here are the steps. Okay, so as you can see here, so after that, search for NVDA. Okay, so as you can see here, tap add investment, search for NVDA and select NVIDIA Corporation from search bar. Add NVIDIA to your pie and assign a portfolio percentage to NVDA, and after that, add NVDA as I said and set your allocations and place your investments. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.